Hi there, Chris Oddy of Marslands Accountants here, and today I'm going to talk about Section 24, which was introduced back in April 2017 for landlords. In this, it basically meant that arrangement fees and mortgage interest was no longer allowable as an expense when calculating the profit on the rental. And the reason I want to talk about it, even though it's been introduced so long ago, is that I'm still finding that landlords are mistakenly not including their mortgage interest when they're doing their rental accounts at all. But the problem is while it has removed them as an allowable expense, it should still be included within your tax return as a restricted loan interest. And essentially all this means is that the mortgage interest is included at a relief of 20% rather than as an expense which would come off of your profit. But essentially, this means that if you're a 40% taxpayer, this is where it becomes a problem because obviously your profit's getting taxed at 40% while the relief is given at 20%. And so that's going to be the difference and why it was brought in. But if you're a 20% taxpayer, it basically means that there's no change as long as you stay a 20% taxpayer, as essentially your profit will be taxed at 20% and then that relief will be given at 20%. And so the tax outcome would still be the same. So it is really important to remember this when doing your tax return, especially if you were to do it yourself, because I've found it where landlords have done their tax returns themselves, and this is one of the things that we can save you money with because it's the rules that we keep up to date. And what you hear online sometimes is the big scary headlines, which is landlords are no longer able to include mortgage interest. Well, while it is true it's no longer an allowable expense, it is still included as a relief at 20%. So yeah, so if you do need an accountant, please contact us. You can give us an email at admin@marslands.co.uk and we can help with your rental accounts going forward. Thank you for watching.